Welcome to Dishah's Sales and Soft Skills Training Academy. Ever wondered how to dress for success in a professional setting? Today, we're exploring 5 essential types of professional dress for men that will help you look sharp and make a strong impression. Number 1. The classic business suit. A staple in any professional wardrobe, featuring a well-fitted blazer and matching trousers, ideal for formal meetings and high-stakes presentations. Number 2. Business casual. A blend of professionalism and comfort with a blazer or sport coat, chinos or dress trousers, and a collared shirt, perfect for daily office wear and client meetings. Number 3. Smart casual. A stylish and approachable look with a tailored blazer over a smart shirt or polo, paired with dark jeans or smart trousers, suitable for informal work environments and networking events. Number 4. Nehru jacket with formals. A great blend of tradition and modernity, the Nehru jacket adds an elegant touch to your professional wardrobe. Wear it over a formal shirt with trousers for corporate events that require a smart Indian touch. Number 5. Traditional Indian formals. For occasions like office festivities or formal gatherings with cultural significance, a well-tailored kurta paired with a formal jacket and trousers offers a dignified, professional appearance while honoring Indian traditions. Now, here are some key style mistakes to avoid. Don't overlook fit. Ensure your clothes are well tailored to avoid a sloppy appearance. A perfect fit makes a huge difference. Don't use excessive accessories. Keep accessories minimal and professional. Less is often more in the corporate world. Don't neglect grooming. Well-groomed attire complements a professional look. Always make sure your clothes are clean and pressed. Don't ignore dress codes. Always align your outfit with the company's dress code to ensure you're dressed appropriately. Don't follow every trend. Stick with timeless professional styles rather than chasing every fleeting fashion trend. Remember, the right professional attire not only boosts your confidence, but also helps you make a lasting impression. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tips. Visit our website for additional resources and join our WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. For customized and performance-driven corporate training programs, contact us.